Residual current protection in PV inverters detects imbalances, reducing electrical hazards and providing safety. What is residual current? Residual current is unintended leakage to the ground, indicating potential faults and safety risks. Key causes: ground faults, when live conductors come into contact with grounded surfaces. Insulation breakdown, aging or damage weakens insulation, leading to leakage. Wiring defects, faulty or poorly installed wiring increases risk. Types of residual current: pure AC, sinusoidal leakage in AC systems. Pure DC current, steady direct current leakage. Mixed AC and DC current, common in systems with power electronics. How does an RCMU work in PV inverters? Residual current monitoring units, RCMUs, detect leakage currents and trigger an alarm when levels exceed the operating value, as defined by IEC 62020. Using a current transformer, they monitor live and neutral currents, ensuring balance in a fault-free system. When a ground fault occurs, leakage current flows through the PE wire, creating an imbalance that the RCMU detects, enhancing safety and reliability in PV inverters. What are the different types of RCMs available? RCM series, type A, detects AC currents from 42 to 2000 Hz and pulsating DC faults. RCMA and RCMB series, type B, provide enhanced protection by detecting AC, pulsating DC, and smooth DC currents up to 2000 Hz. RCMS series, multi-channel A and B, offers multi-channel monitoring for AC and DC fault currents, ensuring comprehensive protection across multiple circuits. Each type is designed to enhance safety, reliability, and fault detection in diverse electrical systems. How do RCD apply in PV systems? RCDs play a vital role in PV systems by preventing electric shocks through the detection of leakage current. When the residual current exceeds predefined limits, the RCD quickly disconnects the circuit to ensure safety. Operating under the specified conditions for reliability, as defined in IEC 60755, their mechanical switching capability allows them to make, carry, and break current under normal conditions, enhancing overall system safety. How do RCDs apply in PV systems? In non-isolated, transformer-less inverters, PV ground faults can introduce DC residual currents on the AC side. Selecting the right RCD requires a clear understanding of the inverter's characteristics and possible fault currents, ensuring effective protection and system reliability. What distinguishes the different types of RCDs? The IEC 60755 standard defines RCDs based on their ability to detect, trip, and withstand different types of current. Type AC detects residual sinusoidal AC currents. Type A responds to both sinusoidal AC and pulsed DC currents. Type B provides the highest level of protection, detecting AC, pulsed DC, and smooth DC currents. Each type is designed for specific applications, ensuring safety and reliability in diverse electrical systems. How does residual current protection improve safety? Residual current protection improves safety by detecting insulation faults and leakage currents early. It enables predictive maintenance, reducing unexpected shutdowns, and ensuring reliable operation. By preventing fire hazards caused by insulation degradation, it adds an extra layer of protection. With continuous monitoring that doesn't interrupt power, it ensures both safety and efficiency. Why residual current protection matters. Prevents electric shocks and burns. Residual current protection improves safety by detecting leakage currents early. It reacts instantly, cutting power to prevent harm and minimize the risk of injury. Reduces risk of overheating and fires. Residual current protection detects and stops current leaks. Safeguards against insulation failures and helps prevent electrical fires, ensuring safety and reliability. Enhances system safety and reliability. Residual current protection safeguards equipment. Ensures a stable power supply and reduces downtime, maintaining safety, efficiency, and uninterrupted operations. At Green, We drive sustainability with innovative energy solutions, empowering growth and progress. Precision, purpose, progress.